So we're going to talk about ice massage and ice packs. What cold and ice does to your body is constrict your blood vessels. So if you have any type of inflammation, you need a cold treatment. When you have a strain or a sprain, you don't do hot. Even though sometimes hot feels good, it's not good because you're gonna be swelling even more. Let's start with an ice pack. So for your ice pack, you could use this water bottle, fill it with water, put it in the freezer, or you can use something like this where you can put ice inside because it has a wide opening, so you can put ice and you're making a nice ice pack. The ice treatments are not supposed to last as long as the heating treatment because the heating treatment will last up to 30 minutes or hours. This one is supposed to be short. So cold and ice treatments are usually short. So here you have a nice ice pack. So let's say she needs ice to her head because she has a fever, or she has a headache, or she hurt her elbow. Then you just put ice and you're gonna apply this. If you don't want to hurt the person, you could always put a towel or a layer of cloth, any type, and then put your ice on top. And it's gonna be very cold, so it's gonna go across your cloth. You're gonna leave it for about 5 to 15 minutes, okay? This is your ice treatment. You can do ice to decrease the inflammation or for strains or sprains. When you have an injury to soft tissues or you twisted your ankle, remember the RICE acronym. You do rest, and then you use ice, you use compression and elevation. This is the first 24 hours you're gonna use ice. After 24 hours, you can do contrast. It's okay to do heating treatment and or contrast treatment. So this would be an ice pack. If you don't have something pretty like this, you can just use a plastic bag and put your ice in the plastic bag and then protect your plastic bag with a pillowcase. I like to use veggies, so frozen veggies are wonderful for ice bag treatment. So let's say her back is hurting because she was lifting heavy boxes, so we can just put it on her back. She can lay down on top of the ice pack right here. So this is the ice pack. Now the ice massage is something different and it's very interesting. So this is a cup. You can use a paper cup and put some water, and then you're gonna have your frozen water here. This is a nice way to do it because you can peel the bottom, so you can use your scissors and cut the bottom, and then you're gonna find your ice at the bottom. You don't use the top because you know what's gonna happen if you use the top. The ice is gonna, once it starts melting, is gonna fall off the cup. So you use the narrow part, okay? When you do an ice massage, you have to be putting some pressure. So it's your weight on the person, okay? Let's say she's hurting right here because she was lifting, and the tendons and the muscle right here, it's really hurting, okay? So we're gonna do an ice massage, and we're gonna tell her this is not gonna feel very nice the first couple of minutes, but it's gonna really take care of the pain. It's gonna go away, okay? So tonight we're gonna do an ice massage. So you're gonna start massaging. You're gonna pray first, and then you're gonna start massaging, and you're gonna do circle movements, okay? Circle movements. Don't stay on just one area because then you're gonna cause some injury to the area. It can really hurt. So you need to keep moving around the area that's hurting. Where was it hurting? Right here? So it's hurting right here, so then you're gonna keep going around and around. She may cry at the beginning. It's hurting a lot, right? The ice is hurting. So you're gonna try to be nice and encourage her to be brave. Okay, this is gonna last only like 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, the area is gonna get numb. Once it's numb, she's not hurting anymore. And you keep massaging, okay? The ice is melting, so you keep peeling the cup. So you keep peeling the cup and keep massaging, okay? Keep peeling the cup. Now, if you end up with the ice just like that, because you have no more plastic cup, you can just use a mitten or you can use a towel to grab your ice and continue your massage, okay? To protect yourself from grabbing the ice, because you can really burn yourself with this treatment. So once you're done, this area is gonna be completely numb, and then you have to dry the person. Why did I put a towel down here? Because it's dripping, so you're just protecting everything from getting wet. So you're just gonna dry her really, really, really well. Once she's dry, I'm gonna use a nice sweater or a dry towel, and I'm gonna wrap the dry towel. Let's pretend this one is another towel. It's a dry towel. We're gonna wrap it around her arm because we want her arm to be warm. So after an ice massage treatment, you want the area to stay warm. So she's gonna go and rest. I'm gonna put a sweater on her, and she's gonna rest for the rest of the night. She's not gonna use her arm, she's just gonna rest, but this is gonna stay warm, okay? You can put a piece of blanket or a towel and a sweater, and she's gonna go and rest. And this is our ice treatment.